Hello everyone. Today I want to share a free desktop application with you. This app allows you to use up to 60,000 characters per hour. The text is processed in a queue and split into smaller parts. Each part contains about 2,000 characters, so the processing runs smoothly without errors. As you can see, each part is limited to 2,000 characters. You just need to enter your text. Then select one of the supported languages. This app uses gTTS, which is free. However, gTTS has a limit of 60,000 characters per hour, so I have pre-configured everything for you. You can review the settings and use the app as needed. Now let me do a quick test. I will click the button here, and the audio files will be generated. As you can see, the download is completed successfully. That is how it works. Next, I will guide you on how to run the application. First, I copy the project link. I will leave the link here for you. Then I open a terminal. In the terminal, I run git clone to download the project. After cloning, I open the gTTS folder. Of course, Python must already be installed. Inside the project, there is a README file that explains how to run the application. You need to install the required libraries, either manually or using the provided command. The first step is to install all dependencies from the requirements file. Just wait until it finishes. While waiting, I will explain the project structure briefly. There are two main Python files in this project. The first one is only _gtts.py. Its only job is to generate MP3 files from text. It simply creates a list of MP3 audio files. The second file provides an additional feature. It can merge multiple MP3 files into a single long audio file. Now I will test it again. As you can see, the files are generated successfully. After that, you can copy the generated files to another folder if you want. If you do not want to run the app using Python, you can build it into a standalone executable. To do that, you need to install PyInstaller. PyInstaller allows you to build a single .x file. I have included the build instructions in the README file. After building, the executable file will appear in the output folder. You just need to double-click the .x file to run it. No Python is required at that point. As you can see, an MP3 file has been created. You can generate up to 60,000 characters per hour. If needed, you can also use Google Colab with multiple tabs to bypass the limit. You can generate hours of audio for free. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will also include the standalone executable in the GitHub release. See you next time.